Hi, hello, good afternoon. I am Jebastin. I am from Vikroli. I completed BE Electronics and Communication Engineering at Francis Service Engineering College with pass out of 2023. I start my career. I want to go to IT domain. So I go through search Google. I got Awdiz IT Institute for enroll courses in Windows Administrator. They give me 3 months courses for Windows admin. So I go through the completed my courses in Windows admin. After that completion, go through placement offers. They call me for multiple interviews, multiple locations. I go through the interviews in lots of locations. At last I got successful in one interview at one companies with a package of 20 CTC. Thank you for Awdiz IT Institute for giving me these opportunities to complete my courses and my interview preparations completed. Thank you. I recommend every students to come to join in Awdiz IT Institute. To whoever want to grow your career in IT domains. Thank you.